At this stage, you've successfully tackled steps 1 through 3. And now it's time to lay the groundwork by building an emergency fund. This fund isn't just about saving money. It's about creating a safety net to cushion you from life's surprises. An emergency fund serves as a buffer, preventing you from relying on credit cards or loans when faced with unexpected expenses. But how do you determine the right amount for your emergency fund? The emergency fund formula. First, you need to understand your monthly expenses. We're talking about needs, not wants. This includes essentials like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and debt payments. Non-essential expenses like your TV bill don't make the cut. They're wants, not needs. Once you've calculated your total monthly expenses, multiply that amount by 3. This gives you a solid 3-month emergency fund. If you're aiming for extra security, go ahead and multiply it by 6. Knowing that you have this financial cushion brings peace of mind. You no longer need to panic when life throws an unexpected expense your way. Whether your emergency fund covers 3 or 6 months of expenses, you're prepared for the next step, becoming debt-free. In this video,